Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a cool section from this store, the Hey Hey brand. If you look closely at their homepage, you'll see they have a section featuring the incredible layout. It has product images seamlessly mixed right into the middle of a text block. It looks custom-coded and highly engaging, but we will copy that layout and recreate it by using the Smind section without writing any code. So let's head over to the Smind Sections app in your Shopify admin. Click on the Sections tab on the left-hand menu. Find the inline image text on the left-hand side of navigation and choose whatever layout you want. So I'll choose this section. Click Install and Customize to jump straight into your Shopify theme editor. Over in the left sidebar of your theme editor, scroll down to exactly where you want this new look to go and click the Add section. Search for Inline Image Text and select the new section you've just added. Click on the new section you just added to open up its settings on the right. The first thing you have to do is add the main text right here, and we'll add the image later. Just noting that this app uses a simple shortcode to drop images directly into the flow of your sentence, so please don't remove it, and we need to add the first text right here. The app creates a shortcode image to mark the number of images block that you add to the section. The image 1 is the first image block, image 2 is the second image block, and so on. So we have to finish all the paragraphs before adding the image. Now let's customize the media layout. Scroll down to the media settings and change the media ratio to adapt so your pictures don't get squished. You can also change the radius media slider around 28 pixels to give those images nice, soft edges. Then, changing the content alignment to center. You'll also want to adjust the content max width slider so your text wraps beautifully and doesn't stretch too far across the screen. Look back at the left sidebar under your section and click on the first image block. Hit Select Image, upload your actual graphic, next, adjust the image width slider to size it just right so it fits naturally into your text flow, and just repeat this step for your second image placeholders. Click back onto the main section settings and scroll down to the section padding area. Use the top and bottom sliders to add a little white space. Now you need to change the color background for this section. Click Color Block and change the background, or choose the picker color to match your desired brand color. Finally, click the Save button in the top right corner. Click the little mobile phone icon at the top of the editor to make sure everything looks just as good on smaller screens. All right, we're done. And thanks for watching my video, and see you at the next one.